Hey guys, welcome back to Sean Does DIY. The vent in this bathroom does not work. I'm pretty sure just the motor's burned out. I hope that's what it is. So today I'm gonna take it apart, we're gonna swap out the motor, and hopefully that'll fix it. That way we don't have to change out the whole unit, because that can be kind of a pain in the butt. All right guys, let's get started. First thing we gotta do is we gotta pull the cover off. That's pretty easy. Most of them are the same, they just kind of pop out. And they're just kind of hanging there by these little spring clips. So you just kind of squeeze them, pop the clip out. We'll hang on to that, might as well clean it while we got it out. All right, so the motor's right here. Make sure the switch is off. All right, and these are kind of typical. I mean, they're different, but they're kind of typical, I guess. So this one just has a plug right here, okay? And we should be able to just pull this whole frame, this whole assembly out. There's a screw right here. Could be flat, it could be, Phillips or whatever, but you never know. Should be pretty easy. Don't lose it. A long one. Okay. Should be able to just pop this pebble. Okay, it's got these little clips right here. There it goes. All right, just slide it out like so. Yeah, because if I get a new one, this is old. Who knows if they have this model's even still made anymore? I can probably find the size, but you never know where like the outfeed, the airflow out is. It could be on the opposite side. Then you got to change a bunch of stuff. So it's easy enough just to try to fix the motor. They're cheap. We're going to get it out the shop. There's some numbers on here that we can look at to hopefully find the correct motor that'll fit in here. I can feel this motor. It's really tight. So I'm pretty sure just the motor's just burned out. So cool. All right, so let's take it out of the shop. We'll take it apart and we'll see if we can fix it. So we got the motor out here. So we just need to figure out what motor we got. So you can look down here, it should have some numbers somewhere on it, like a part number or whatever. So this one happens to say J238-50-47B, tells you the volts and the hertz and the amps and all that good stuff. So that J238 number should be our part number. So what I did is I already went online and I looked. I found it on Amazon. It was like 15 bucks, something like that, not bad, versus replacing the whole thing. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Yeah, we got the motor, we got the blades, we got some extra pieces of box in there to store the packaging. All right, so it looks like it's the same. We got the same two plug. The wire's a little different, but that's okay. So we might as well go ahead and replace the fan while we're in there. So all we got to do now is just take off the two bolts on this one, and let's use this versus trying to find all my little. I guess I should find a little socket. Oh, that's all right. Easy enough. All right. I mean, I could take this and plug it in, probably, plug it up in the fan or in the, in the plug up there just to see if it works, but I'm gonna have to fix it anyways. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to change the whole thing, so it doesn't really matter. That one has Phillips on it, so it's a little easier. There we go. Should have found some sockets, but in the process of moving, so a lot of my tools are not here. There's one. So yeah, like I said, you could go you know, take this and plug this into the plug up in the housing up there, just to test it before you can do all this stuff. But where's the fun of that? Man, this thing's still tight. This house is almost 20 years old, so I'm assuming this has probably been up there 20 years. Okay. There we go. Well, I just pulled that whole thing apart. Yeah, this thing is all seized up in there. So, yeah. It is messed up. Ta-da! Got it. Alright, so let's go ahead and find a screwdriver. Get this bad boy put back together. Without it all coming apart on me here. Okay, see, it plugs right there, so put it on this side. Right. Probably help if I put the screw or the bolt through there like that. Might work better. There we go. Wait, I think I got it on upside down. Nope, that can't go. That's gotta be right. Right? Yeah, it has to go that way. Yeah. Okay. Feels like it spins nice and free. Yep. And this one has, instead of having the like a threaded spindle there, it's got a flat spot on one side. So we'll just line it up, push it down. Oh, that spins a lot better. So I think that'll do it. Cool. All right, well, let's go test it out and see what happens. Let's go ahead and see if we can figure out how it goes back up in there. This one has two tabs. They line up over there. And then it just kind of pops into place. Now, before I plug it in, easier said than done. It's all filled with everything. This one just should just snap right up in there. There we go. There it goes. All right, so I'm gonna plug it in, and then we'll go turn it on and see what happens. Hopefully, it'll work. All right, hold on a sec. Let's see. What? Cool. Easy fix, 15 bucks. Didn't have to change out the whole unit. Hopefully find the right one that fits, all that kind of nonsense. So cool. Super easy. Yeah, and then of course, I'm gonna clean this thing out before I put it back in. It's kind of dirty. It's been up there for, probably 20 years. But these just go back nice and easy. You find your two little spring clips, line them up, put them in there. If I can get my fingers in there, there we go. Yes, and then it just shoves back up in there. And ta-da, you're done. Easy fix for a bathroom vent. Go ahead and try that first, I think. I mean, if you know the motor's the wrong one, doesn't fit, whatever, just got to look and research and find the right one. Pretty easy. So cool. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like it, like and subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff. That's it. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.